Dear students, the PSIR 6-month foundation course is beginning on 16th March at 5 p.m. And I want to personally speak to those of you who are serious about building a strong optional. This course is meant for students who are looking for structured preparation with genuine conceptual clarity. It is not a dictation-based classroom. It is not a space for superficial summaries, and it is certainly not a place for substandard notes. Our focus is very clear: understanding before memorization. In the previous 6 months batch, we made a commitment that the syllabus would be completed in a structured and timely manner, that discussions would be consistent, and the academic engagement would be serious and meaningful. I am happy to say we fulfilled that promise. The course was completed as scheduled from 25th August 2025 to 24th February 2026. That gives me confidence in inviting you to join this upcoming batch. Now, what exactly is this program about? Over a period of 180 days, we will comprehensively cover the entire PSIR syllabus in an integrated manner. Political theory, Indian government and politics, comparative politics, and international relations will not be treated as isolated compartments. They are interconnected dimensions of one discipline, and that is how they must be understood. Classes will run daily from 5 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Each session is live, is structured, and interactive. When we study thinkers, we do not merely list their ideas. We locate them in context. We understand their assumptions. We examine their relevance, and we connect them with contemporary developments. Selective previous year questions are integrated within lectures. You will see how theory transforms into structured UPSC-ready answers, because clarity must ultimately reflect in your writing. All the students will receive a Postal set of 7 handwritten class booklets. For online and hybrid students, we conduct Zoom doubt sessions 2 to 3 times a week. These sessions are extremely important. They help you sharpen arguments, resolve conceptual gaps, and build analytical confidence. This course is available in offline, online, and hybrid modes, so that you may choose what best aligns with your preparation strategy. Online and hybrid students are also provided with a Samsung tablet to ensure uninterrupted academic access. If you are ready to approach PSIR not as a scoring trick, but as a serious academic understanding, then I look forward to guide you from 16th March.